welcome back to our channel. In this video we can see how to convert any file, either WordPad to not WordPad, Microsoft Edge or any Chrome to PDF files. So for that I will show my folder. So see, my PDF files was saved in the Chrome like this. So I need to change from this Chrome to PDF files. So for that I will open the Windows. So we can see there is a 5 options. I can select the settings. Once open the settings, there is a lot of options, but we need to select the systems. Click the double click. So in this place we can see any default app option. So display sounds, there is a no option, that one. So here I can search default. So we can see the first option, select that one. Apps and future and default apps, offline maps and video playback and startup. So there is a no, email, map, music player. So choose default apps by file type, choose default app by protocol, set as default by app. So I can select the first one. We need to select the first one also. Once it will be open like this, there is a lot of option. So we can see where the PDF files. So we can see there is a saved in the like display in 0 to A to Z alphabetic order. So I can go directly in the PDF file. So see, there is a PDF file place. It will be Google Chrome. So I need to change this one. So for that I will click the double click on left one. That only you will get the single click left side. So we can see there is a many options, few options: Microsoft Edge, Adobe, Firefox, Google Chrome or Opera. Word, if you want WordPad, like you can select WordPad. So let's see all are usable like the WordPad. So but I don't want to WordPad, I can select the PDF file model. So in this place I can select the Adobe PDF file model. Let's see all are converted like this. So this is how we can converted the any files from any file to folder, sorry, PDF files like this. So this is a how. It's a very simply and easy technique. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.